Oh, hi. I was just getting ready to walk out the door and go on a walk. But since you're here, I have got something to show you. I think you're going to love it. So I have my project that I made from the So What box for this month. It's awesome. It is a bag that holds your cell phone in the front pocket and your water bottle. So you can take this guy, swing it over your head, and go for a walk and have everything that you need while you're walking. The So What box has the cutest projects. Now, I haven't gotten to last month's project yet, but it holds a hot curling iron or hot flat iron. And you know how particular I am about my hair. So I want to make one of those. Believe it or not, I actually do sometimes take a flat iron and maybe puff up my bangs or make little curlicues out of my messy bun. So I'm really excited because when I travel, I can put that curling iron or flat iron in this little pouch. I can put my flat iron in the pouch and the heat will be contained in that pouch and it won't cause anything else in my suitcase to get hot. Now let me show you what else came in this month's So What box. First of all, you always get everything you need for your project that is included. Everything. Pre-cut fabric, pins, a needle for your machine, the thread, everything you need. You also get something a little extra, and this month, clover pins. How cute. They've got the little flower top. So those are fun. I do use pins, and actually when I use pins, I like something big that I can grab after it sticks me. This was the thread that came with it. And of course you get some fabric. These are the 2 fat quarters. This month is an orange month. So I got a fat quarter with the rust color, or it's kind of an orange, a light rust, and then these beautiful flowers. And the tie that is around your fat quarters can be cut up and used for tags for your quilts. That way you don't have to worry about making them. You've already got them. You just need to sew them into the binding. You get instructions on how to make your project. And this month I got something new. And my pins are going to fall out. I actually do use their pins. I got an envelope. And in the envelope are the instructions on how to make your project in case you want to make more. It includes the pattern, how to cut them out, and variations. Previously, I had to print it out, but this month, they put it all in here, all in this box. Now, I don't know if this is something that's going to be done every month, but there are 3 different versions of this bag. If you want more pockets, if you want to have your handle or your strap with different hardware so that you can adjust the strap. They think of everything. So I'm going to take my bag and I'm going to go out for a walk, and I'll have my water right there with me and my phone so that I can keep up with my comments. And I think you should go take a look at the website that I list down below in case you are interested in getting these awesome project boxes every month. Have a great day, eat some chocolate, and be kind to everyone. Until next time, bye. Was an and it won't get hot. It won't